Today I will be giving an update on Sundial Growers and a few other cannabis stocks as well. Let's get into the video. Before we talk about cannabis stocks and their potential for a trade next week, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment with your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and also leave a like on the video as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to join our private Discord, it's going to be the first link in the description, and all you have to do is go through Patreon and then you'll be added to the Discord. Now I know that we've all seen the insanity that has been the cannabis sector this week. Stocks such as Tilray, Sundial Growers, and Aurora Cannabis Company were all up over 100% at their highs on Wednesday afternoon. This recent push of the cannabis sector has been riding on hopes that cannabis is going to be legalized federally in the United States and has also gotten a push from the Wall Street Bets subreddit. Retail investors have once again band together to push the cannabis sector as a whole to the moon, behind the backing of the Wall Street Bets subreddit. Now they all hit highs on Wednesday, but pretty much every cannabis stock fell back down to reality in the past 2 days and have wiped out any gains made this week. Now that we have an understanding of what happened in the cannabis sector this week, we can start talking about the future of this sector as a whole. We're going to start out with ticker symbol SNDL or Sundial Growers. I actually made a video on Sundial Growers about a week and a half ago when the stock was at about 85 cents. And it hit 100% returns in a couple of days. Since then, it's blown up even more, and it was even in the high threes at one point. Now it's sitting at about $2.05. And Sundial Growers is a cannabis company in Canada that has a market cap of about 1.81 billion and has an average trading volume of about 1.5 billion trades per day. With a trading volume that high, and I'm telling you, that is a high trading volume, this stock is bound to go parabolic in either direction. Recently, I haven't seen a day where there weren't 1 billion trades on this stock. I personally love Sundial Growers at $2, and I think it has the potential to reach higher highs than it did last Wednesday. I'm going to give Sundial Growers a price target of $4 just because I really do think it could make new highs sooner rather than later. Now, just because that's my price target does not mean it should be yours. You got to do your own research and due diligence and set your own price target because we're not a signal calling service and we are not financial advisors. But the next cannabis stock we're going to be talking about is going to be ticker symbol TLRY or Tilray. Tilray is a cannabis company that makes cannabis for medical use and it currently has a market cap of about 3.04 billion and an average trading volume of about 86 million. Tilray's stock price went from $67 at its highs this week to now $29 at the time of this recording. While this stock was propped up by the Wall Street Bets community, this is a stock that stands to gain a lot from cannabis getting legalized federally. And I think that cannabis will be federalized legally just because Joe Biden has a Democratic Senate and House, so I think that he'll want to get that done early in his presidency. So for a price target on Tilray, I'm going to have to give it a price target of about $40 because I'm not sure when the federal legalization will actually happen. And remember, just because that's my price target doesn't mean it should be yours. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. The last cannabis stock that we're going to be talking about today is going to be ticker symbol CRON or Cronos Group. This stock was actually suggested by Joseph in our Instagram DMs and a few people in our Discord as well. Join our private Discord. It's the first link in our description. It's really fun and I want you there. Now this stock did not benefit as much as other stocks in its sector this week, but this stock has a very high upside. Cronos Group is another cannabis stock that is based in Toronto, Canada. Cronos Group is one of the very few profitable Canadian cannabis companies in 2020 and expects sales to grow from 43.8 million in 2020 to 86.9 million in 2021. It was one of the only stocks in the cannabis sector to end in the green yesterday and it has great growth potential going forward. Now my price target on Cronos Group is going to be $20 as I think it can get close to highs if not break them from a year ago of $21 with the growth that it's had. And remember, just because it's my price target doesn't mean it should be yours. Do your own due diligence, do your own research. And I want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We would never tell you to invest in any assets or securities as we are not financial advisors. But I want to leave no doubt, I want to set the record straight that Finance Bro is bullish on the cannabis sector. But if you want to buy any of the stocks mentioned in this video and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing, man? You got to get in the pre-market, the after hours with us by clicking the second link in the description, opening an account, depositing $100. You're going to get 2 free stocks. We're going to get a free stock. Everyone wins. And now for comment of the day, y'all comment and I'll pick one of your comments for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is coming from Luis and he said, "Hi, what's happening with Doge?" Thanks for the comment, Luis. I picked this comment because I wanted to address the anomaly that is Doge. I just want it to be known that Dogecoin has no real value and is not a good investment in my non-professional opinion. But that's going to be it for today. So if you guys enjoyed the video, could you please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and it shows that we're doing something right here. But my name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.